Don't struggle to save for a down payment. Try these 3 money saving tips. Set a savings goal. The first step to saving for a down payment is to set a savings goal. Determine how much you need to save and when you want to buy a home. Then break down to smaller, manageable goals. Cut your expenses. One of the easiest ways to save more money is to cut your expenses. Look for areas where you can trim your budget, such as dining out less, or buying secondhand, or downsizing your car. Generate extra income. Another way to boost your savings is to generate extra income. Consider taking on a side hustle, selling unwanted items, or renting out a spare room. Finally, make saving a habit by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account so you can save money without even thinking about it. Staying informed about the latest trends, updates, and insights in the market is crucial to making informed decisions that can help you achieve your goals. That's why I'm excited to invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel today. By subscribing to my channel, you'll get access to exclusive content that will keep you up to date with the latest real estate news, insights, and tips. I'm constantly creating new videos that are designed to help you make informed decisions when it comes to buying or selling a property. Subscribing to my channel will help motivate me to keep creating more content for you. As you know, the real estate market is always changing, and I'm committed to staying on top of those changes so you don't have to. You'll be helping me continue to bring you the latest and most relevant information. And if you don't stay connected, you'll be missing out on valuable insights that I'm bringing to the table. You need to have access to the data that will help you make the best decisions possible. You'll be making sure that you're always in the know. And I have a great relationship with people in the industry. You'll be able to tap into that network and get access to information that you might not be able to find anywhere else. So if you're looking for a competitive advantage in the real estate market, hit that subscribe button now and gain valuable edge. If you have any questions or want to learn more about how I can help you achieve your goals, don't hesitate to reach out by email, text, or phone. I'm here to help, and I'm excited to help you make the best decisions possible in the real estate market. With that being said, I hope you found value in this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. See you soon.